Ready to supercharge your website with A/B testing and boost those conversion rates? Alright, let's get started by finding your Google Tag Manager container ID. Head over to your Google Tag Manager account. You can find this at the top of the Tag Manager interface. It usually starts with GTM. Copy this ID. We'll need it in a moment. Now, let's jump into Google Optimize. Navigate to your Optimize account and select the container or website you will be using here. You'll want to make sure you have your website linked and that its code is implemented. Next, within Google Optimize, you will now create a new experiment. Then, head down to the Settings section. In the Settings, you'll find a section for Experiment Setup. Here you'll see a drop-down menu or button that says Connect to Tag Manager. Click that button. You will be prompted to enter your Tag Manager container ID that you copied earlier. Paste it here and save. Okay, so you've connected Google Optimize to Tag Manager. Now, when you create your experiments, you'll be able to select the website and page you want from the URL provided in the page targeting options. Now that you have both tools linked, you can start running A/B tests, track your experiment results, and leverage those data insights to test and improve website performance by combining the power of Google Optimize and Google Tag Manager. You have a robust solution for increasing your website's conversion rates. Now go out there and optimize. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful content.